Welcome to the Microsoft Ads Training Kit Chapter 29. Automated Ad Extensions Overview. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at automated ad extensions, step by step. So let's get started. So from our Microsoft Ads dashboard, select All Campaigns. From here select one campaign and then select Ads and Extensions. Let's select Automated Extensions from top. Here you get all automated extensions. Now click on Manage Automated Extensions button. From here you can either select Use all automated extensions available for this account, or opt out of specific automated extensions. Select the latter and here you get more options to select. Now select Use all automated extensions available for this account and click on the small info button. It will give you more information about it. So now click on Save button. When you slide the slider, you'll get more details. So this is all about automated ad extensions. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to Chapter 30. How to target countries. Inside that video, we are going to take a look at how to target countries, step by step. See you in the next tutorial.